How to draw in Instagram chat. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw in Instagram chats. So if you want to send a fun, personalized drawing to your friends, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Next, head over to your DM inbox and open the chat where you want to draw. Once you're in the chat, tap the plus icon at the bottom right and then select Draw. At the top, you can pick a style and below, choose a color for your masterpiece. Now comes the fun part. Draw whatever you like. When you're happy with it, just hit send. Your drawing will appear in the chat exactly where you created it. Keep in mind, new messages might cover parts of your drawing, so it's mostly visible above the chat thread. Want to delete your drawing? Just press and hold it, then tap Unsend to remove it. If you don't see the Draw feature, there are two things you can do. First, join the beta program. Go to your app settings, scroll down to App and Media, then tap Early Access to Features, and toggle on Join the Beta Program. Second, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to draw in Instagram chats and make your messages more fun and creative.